Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your ringtone on Facebook Messenger. This method is super easy, and you can do it right inside the Messenger app on your phone. So first, open your Messenger app. Now, look down at the bottom right corner and tap on the hamburger menu that's the three-line icon. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings. Once you're on the Settings page, keep scrolling until you see Preferences. Under the Preferences section, tap on Notifications and Sounds. Now you'll see a page showing all the types of notifications you can receive, like Suggested for You, New Messages, and Activity or Invitations. Each of them has a checkbox in front, which you can uncheck if you don't want those notifications. But since our focus is changing the ringtone, just scroll down to Notification Preferences. Right there, you'll see an option called Ringtone. Tap on it, and you can now select any ringtone you like from your list. Once you pick one, it automatically saves as your new Messenger call sound. This trick is great if you want to personalize your Messenger and make your calls sound different from others. You can try different tones until you find one that fits your vibe, and it works perfectly on the latest version of the app. And that's it. That's how you change your ringtone in Facebook Messenger. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss out on the next one.